In this tip, we'll be dissecting a very iconic ballet step, the fouette. Usually you see fouettes done at the end of a coda or at the end of a ballet in general. They are very powerful, they're turns, and they're very difficult too. So we start training our fouette really early on, even just from a plie, releve, because that's what your standing leg is doing. As we get more advanced, we have more specific types of combinations that we do to train fouettes. To help me demonstrate this tip today, I have Ella in our studio. To start training our fouette, we start at the bar. This is a common exercise that I do with our advanced level students. We're going to go through it slow motion first. So first, Ella's going to bring her leg up to retiré, bringing the toe to the knee. Really important here to keep the standing side really tall, support underneath the retiré thigh, and support underneath the arm. From here, she will take a fondue to the front, again, keeping support underneath the thigh and underneath the standing side. From here, the standing side will grow tall as the leg comes to à la seconde, and then it'll come back into your retiré. So we do this starting from fifth. To tempo, we'll take plie and retiré, plie to the front and back, plie to the front and in, keeping left side tall and in and finish 7. There's more than one way to complete a fouette successfully. What we like to teach to our students in the school is to plie to the front, extend to the side, and then come in. However, there's also a different way of just using this extension to the side and pulling into retiré. Slow motion, Ella will demonstrate coming up through retiré, plie to the side, she'll releve in the side and pull in at the same time, and coming back down to fifth. Now we'll show that a little bit faster, 4 times through. She'll take plie and go retiré and in, keeping left side tall. Last one, and in, and finish. In so much of ballet, what's really important is to keep your alignment. So to keep your shoulders over your hips, over your heels. Especially when turning, your spine and your alignment becomes your axis. Much like a spinning top, you want to keep everything nice and vertical. In this exercise, we're facing the bar so that the dancer can feel both shoulders and both hips completely square to their bar space. Coming up through a retiré, Ella will then extend to the side, plie, and pull in, and plie, and pull in. 2 more, plie, keeping shoulders up over the hips as she pulls in, plie, and pull in, and finish. This exercise can also be done adding a turn. You could also add several turns every time that you pull in. The next exercise to prepare your fouette is one facing the bar. When you face the bar, you're able to really hone in on the squareness of your shoulders and your hips, which helps with your alignment. Ella is going to keep her shoulders right over her hips as she does this exercise, using her low core and also using muscles from underneath her hips. We'll start in a plie, pulling up through retiré, out to à la seconde, pull in, keep your alignment, and plie, pull in, keep your alignment, and now with a turn.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.